This is Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you're brand new, thank you so much for coming by. If you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button down below and ringing that bell so you'll know when I'm going live or have new videos, that'd be awesome. That helps me out so much and it's free for you, so I'd really appreciate that. I'm here today. I want to tell you a little bit about Fort Worth Fabric Studios. Fort Worth Fabric Studios is a quilt shop, an online quilt shop out of Fort Worth, Texas, and they offer nearly every season and holiday a free mystery sew along. They do PDF patterns and they are downloadable and completely free for you to do at home. And they make the cutest quilts. I just wanted to show you the most recent one that they did, which was called the Homemade Holiday Quilt. This was the Christmas quilt that we just did, that I finished. I sewed this on my Vlogmas, and Fort Worth Fabric Studio saw me sew it, and they asked me if I could make videos for the next sew along. So I'm super grateful and very humbled that they asked me to do it. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about it in case you want to sew along with me. The next sew along is their Valentine mystery quilt called So This Is Love. It's very beginner friendly, super beginner friendly. It's a cute little fast and easy quilt. It's going to finish at 35 by 35, and you could use it as a Valentine decoration wall hanging or a table topper. I believe they're calling it a table topper, but you could hang it on the wall or whatever you like to do with it. But it's going to be a fun, quick sew along. Because we're so close to Valentine's Day, they wanted to make sure that you had plenty of time to finish it. So it's just going to be a 3-week sew along, beginning Monday, January 17th, and then each Monday afterwards through the 31st of January. The first week we're going to get the cutting instructions, and we're going to sew block 1, which typically, if you guys have done their quilts before, the first week is just cutting. So like I said, it's a small quilt, so we'll be able to do both in one day, so that's a lot of fun. The patterns will be released at 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. They're on Central, so I get that a little confused sometimes. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time every Monday, and then the video will be released at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll be releasing my videos every Monday, and I hope you can sew along with me. I'm super excited to do this. The first week I will cut all my fabrics for you on camera, and then we'll sew it, and by the 3rd week we'll have a finished quilt top. So looking forward to that, and I might do a 4th video, even though there's only 3 weeks, to show you guys how I quilted it. So I'm excited about that. I love Valentine's Day. I love heart patterns, so I can't wait to heart patterns for the long arm. So I'm sure I can figure out how to incorporate a heart pattern onto something we're doing for Valentine's Day. So I'm really looking forward to this. The kit is very affordable this time around. It's $34.96, and they're ready to go. So I will put the link down below directly to the kit so you can go and get one. And if you give me just a second, I'll pop up a picture right here so you guys can see what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? I'm so excited to sew it. I can't wait to get started. And I have some other very exciting news. Fort Worth Fabric Studio was super generous and offered to send me a kit that I could give away here on my channel to one of you. So if you are excited about sewing this, would love to get a free kit, I would love to give it to you. So I only have one, but if you put down in the comment below what your favorite flower is to receive on Valentine's Day or any time of year if you're not a Valentine person, I will enter you in the giveaway. Now this is going to be a really quick, short giveaway, only 24 hours from when I post my video. I'm sorry, I can't keep it up longer than that, just because I want to give everybody time to see if they've won, and if they haven't won, if you still want to get a kit, be able to go get a kit before they're sold out. So I don't want to take too long to do the giveaway. I hope you can all understand that, and I hope you sew along with me. And if you can't afford to get the kit at this time, no problem. Fort Worth Fabric Studio doesn't mind if you use your own scraps, but for me personally, I like to support shops by buying their kits, even though I do sell fabric myself. I like to support the shops and buy their kits because they are taking the time to write the patterns, give you the patterns for free. And so I think it's a great way that we can support them. So head on over to their website, check it out. And I hope you come back on my channel on January 17th and sew along with me. And also check out, if you haven't been there yet, Fort Worth Fabric Studios Facebook group. They've got a group just for the mystery sew-alongs. So I will also put that in the description box below, so you can go check that out if you're on Facebook and join the group. You can see everybody's progress. Everybody posts pictures of their blocks along the way, and a lot of people post their finished quilt, so it's a lot of fun. It's fun to go and chat with other people who are doing the same thing. So thank you so much for stopping by. Take care, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you.